Hello YouTubers, thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. Today we are reviewing Wix. What is it? It is a website building platform. Everything is graphical, visually, and easy to use to build your dream website. Is Wix free? There's a free plan and there's also a paid subscription plan, so let's check it out. So Wix gives you hundreds of templates, and you can create unlimited pages, and it's free hosting using their subdomain for free. And if you want to use your own domain name .com extension, then you will need to upgrade. And they also have e-commerce available to sell your products. And with this video I'm gonna go over a quick tutorial on how to build a website quickly and easily with Wix. So let's get started. Once you sign up with a Wix account, in your dashboard, once you create your account, you can create your free site by clicking here, and then it'll ask you what kind of site do you want to create. So these are some of the categories, and it all works in a similar way. It all uses the same kind of website building tool. So for now I'm just going to choose a business website, and now you are presented with two options. You can either let Wix build your site for you after you answer a few questions, or you can choose from the thousands of templates. You can build your website with either one of these options, but personally I think the Wix ADI is actually a little bit more complicated, so I would not recommend you using the Wix ADI right away. But who knows, for some people it might work better for them, but not for me. So I like to choose a template. This way you have more control on how your site will actually look, rather than having the ADI automatically pick something for you. So as you can see, we have a lot of pretty cool templates, professional, beautiful, in all kinds of categories, from cars to pets to, we got restaurants for your restaurant. So beautiful designs. I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one caught my eye earlier, so we can preview it by clicking on the view. So here's the preview. We can scroll through it. It's got everything we need: services, contact, book online. So let's go with this one for now. Edit this site, and it's gonna take a few seconds to load up. Okay, so here's how you edit your brand new website. So here is the page. This tells you what page you're working on. So apparently there's two pages, home and book online. So right now we're at the page, the home, and these other ones you see here, services, our work, about us, are actually located on the same page. So if you go to services, it actually goes to here, and then our work, so it scrolls down here. So these links at the menu aren't actually to a brand new page, it just scrolls to the section on this single page. And the only other page we have right now is book online. So for this particular template, that's how it works. For other templates, it may have separate pages for these other things like services, about us, contact. So first time looking at this, it could be quite a handful, but it's actually quite easy to use. It's drag and drop. Everything is graphical design. You can edit everything visually. There's no need of program or code. So all you have to do is hover your mouse over anything you want, and something might pop up, and then you click on it to change the design or upload a new image. So let's click on this background so we can change the page background. So let's do that. And here it gives you some example backgrounds, and we can click on the image to upload our own image. So let me upload from my computer a new image. So I'm currently uploading this picture of a car, Ferrari car up here. So once it's uploaded, you click on it and change background, and now we have a new background. And let's change this company name. So all you have to do again is hover over it and then click on it, and it'll show you an option to edit the text. So let's edit the text, and you can mess around with the font, the size, and then here you can just delete and name it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it my car shop, vintage car specialist. That's fine. And we can go through here, and you can also drag and drop these texts and icons easily. And if you want to delete something, you can delete it by just clicking on it and then clicking the backspace button, and you can eliminate the whatever you want. And then you can also add an image, a text, a button. So these are some of the things you can add to your page, and you can just click on it. It'll show up these options for that particular feature. So let's click on business title, and then you can just drag it over, and then you can reposition. Whoops, don't want to reposition that. I just want to reposition this business text, and I will just call about us. Okay, and here there's the contact form. Say you want to change your email or delete a field or add a field, you would just simply delete the field by clicking on it and backspace. And then if you want to change the email, you click on this settings icon here, and you can change some of the details, such as the email you want to be sent to, and you can edit that on here with the settings. And last thing I want to show you guys real quick is let's delete this image and let's add in a video. So click on add, and once again you have a lot of options, and you can play around with these, and it is a lot of fun actually to build your first website. So let's add in that video. So let's do YouTube, and here it is. And again, you can drag it wherever you like, and here we can change the video, and you just have to enter in the video address. Let me paste in my YouTube video here, and you can also search for a video. So there I added a video just like that, and you can do some settings like autoplay on loading and looping it, and there it is, my YouTube video that I just added. So that's pretty much how easy it is to customize and edit your Wix website. There are a lot of other things you can do, and you can definitely play around with these settings for sure. And once you're happy with how your site looks, simply click on, well, preview it first, and this is how it looks. And then once you're happy, go back to the editor and click on publish, and now it'll pop up, congratulations, your site is published and is live. So let's view the site, and of course here is that banner ad that will display over your free plan. This will show up all the time, and it follows the user. So I mean, it's pretty good for testing out your website. After you build your website, then you can even have your own branded domain, your own .com domain once you upgrade to the next premium plan. But for now, it's free to test out hundreds and thousands of designs. And if you don't mind about this Wix.com advertisement on top, then it doesn't even matter. You still got yourself a professional, beautiful website. So this was just a quick overview tutorial of building a site with Wix. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Thank you, and happy marketing.